The rising attacks on Hindus in Bangladesh have been prompted by Muslim radical groups competing for influence, funding, and support. An intelligence note accessed by CNN News 18 has revealed this competition is leading to tensions and conflicts between the groups, the intel note says. The Jamaat-e-Islami is one of the largest Islamist parties in Bangladesh with significant influence and resources. Harkatul Jihad, or the Huji-B, is a radical group that has been linked to various terrorist activities and has received funding from foreign sources including the Al-Qaeda. Hizb ut-Tahrir was banned in 2009. However, this group continues to operate underground and has been involved in various radical activities. The Ansar al-Islam is the Bangladesh branch of the Al-Qaeda in the Indian subcontinent, or the AQIS, and has been involved in various terrorist activities. Neo-JMB is a splinter faction of the Jamaatul Mujahideen Bangladesh, or the JMB, and has been involved in various terrorist activities. These groups are competing in many areas including funding, recruitment and support. According to the intelligence note, the funding of these groups had dried up under the Sheikh Hasina regime, and now they are striving to rise up and stand again, flourish again. Radical groups are fighting for funding from foreign sources including from Saudi Arabia, Pakistan and other nations. These groups are competing to recruit new members, often targeting young, educated and unemployed individuals. Radical groups jockey for influence within Bangladesh's Islamist movement, often through propaganda and outreach efforts. Some groups strive to carry out high-profile terrorist attacks which then help to establish their credibility and influence. Now, due to these reasons, violence against Hindus is rising, with all these groups attacking them. According to the intelligence note, the competition can also lead to fragmentation within the Islamist movement, making it more challenging for groups to achieve their objectives.